Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Dave here with 904 Tree on the scene. Got a beautiful home here. Tree struck the porch. I'll spin you around. Let me get presentable. Sorry for the jiggle, no gimbal today. Damien on the dingo. Say hi, everybody. Tyler. Other than that, walk you around. This is, maybe not, but typical. This is a neighbor's tree over here that have fallen down and fallen into the yard. So check in with your neighbors, everybody. If the rule of thumb is, whoop, hold on. The rule of thumb is, what time is this? Busy. The rule of thumb is, if you guys have neighbors that have trees that are encroaching your yard, depending on how peaceful you guys are with each neighbor or the neighbors, ask them to get it off and then send them a certified letter that states, hey, this tree is of great concern to us. That way your insurance company can fight the other insurance company when that tree falls, so you're not stuck paying that deductible or going through, dramas. But again, a certified letter from you to that other homeowner. If that tree is on their property line and you're worried that it's going to hit your house or your head in this case, send them a certified letter. That way you have it on record. Some carriers, and this is not legal advice, some carriers require 2 certified letters. Just trying not to get run over here. Some carriers require 2 certified letters in order to shift the liability from your insurance carrier over to your neighbor's carrier. That way, again, you're not stuck paying that deductible. I'll give you another snapshot. So for instance, here's the neighbor. Here's our customer client. The tree was here and it fell this way, and we're gonna take a peek at it real quick. So here we go. How you doing, sir? Good. So here we are here. 1 second, give me 1 second. So here we are. A little bit of fence damage, but the tree hit over there and then it hit up on the roof here, and we've already got both those sections off. And again, it's not a small tree. So, all right, guys, stay tuned. Thanks for stopping by, and it's been a busy week. Thank you. 985-259-3352.